Hello, just wanted to do a quick video on the 2004 Toyota Tacoma 2.4 uh, liter, and it's a 4-cylinder. Basically, the car was turning off on idle, so I did three things which seemed to have solved it. First, changed out the air filter. Second, took out the MAF sensor, cleaned it out. And the third thing I did was I actually cleaned out the throttle body, but I actually did it very easy without taking anything apart. Right on top here, you see these extra ports here. I took out the little seal here. It just pulls right out. This is like a plug, it's not being used. And I put in the straw in there, and I sprayed it. While you're spraying it, you have to be accelerating it, because if not, it's really going to turn off on you. And you do that for about, maybe you spray 5 times, and then wait a little while, and then spray about 5 more times. Each time you hold it about maybe 2 or 3 seconds. And by doing those 3 things, it solved the issue. It's not turning off anymore for now. Just wanted to share this quick video. Thank you for watching.